When we are engaging our young people with the STEM interests, we're almost future-proofing them. The very nature of space means that there's so many wonderful big question marks, and children are naturally curious.
Today we've been here at Leonard Stanley CAB Primary School, working with the children to inspire them and help them design their experiments to be part of our MARSBalloon programme later this year.
We had a fantastic array of experiences today. 31 Year 6 children absolutely engaged in scientific projects, in future thinking, which will no doubt inspire many of them, at the very least, to get the most out of Key Stage 3 in secondary school science, and in some cases may well lead them to become the engineers and scientists of the future.
We ask children to send in experiments, and we put those experiments in a tray which we send up into space. It bursts at 30 kilometres, at which the altitude is similar to Mars conditions. We retrieve them once they've landed and we send them back.
And you could see from the reaction of the children today when they were getting the opportunities to work collaboratively with engineers on projects that actually could be used in conditions that were similar to those experienced on Mars. The children bought into it wholly.
I think science is great because you get to do a lot of hand-on stuff, and you get to do all these experiments and have your own theories and predict, and it's just amazing what you can do when you're older once you've learned all these things. Science is amazing.
I think Mars would be an amazing experience because you basically have so much that you don't know about and you can explore, and it's just brand new.
Thales Alenia Space is always looking for talented engineers. We're always looking for people to join our growing company. There's a national shortfall of engineers. We want that to change. This programme is to inspire the children.
So if they can get engaged with it at a young age, if they can carry that love and interest on in whatever capacity, they're future-proofing themselves.
I think I definitely learned more today than I would have done in a couple of other lessons at school.
Well, I would like to go to Mars because hardly anyone's gone there, so it would be great to set records and things.
The opportunities that we get to take space out on the road is great. It's really good to inspire the future generations, and I think it's really important for my own development to see what's coming through in the future.
The more we do this, the more we encourage them, the more likely they're to pursue STEM subjects in school, in university, and in their careers.
From today, we hope that they take away a bit more of a knowledge about space and why it's important for us here on Earth, and also some of the challenges of getting to Mars. But overall, hopefully inspire them to become part of scientists and engineers of the future.
And when those children become adults and when they're talking to their kids about their primary school experiences, this will be one of the days that they look back on with big smiles.